And to Miniland we go. Keep going, boys. I'm right behind you. They're showing Goshen, New York, which is where we are. Goshen, New York is the location for Legoland, New York. And they have a Miniland structure of parts of Goshen. Hey, what are you doing, son? What are you doing? I didn't hear you. Say it again. Cool. Oh. That's the World Trade Center Memorials.
Well, LEGOLAND is showing it.
Oh, the hot dog contest. Yeah, come on. Good job. Look, guys, there is actually a quick path to the Lego Castle and Lego Ninjago from Miniland, which if you have walked Miniland here at Legoland New York, you know it is a heck of a walk from all the way up there to all the way down there through lots of twists and turns, and then you have to walk all the way across the bottom there through Pirates, Lego Pirates, through Lego City, all the way over. But you don't have to if you take this quick path to the Lego Castle and Lego Ninjago. Found right here, right between the New York Miniland and the Washington DC Miniland. That's awesome. Look at that, the Museum of African American History.
That means we have to go in this here, right?
Look at all the presidents.
We have to go on.
Yeah, that's Mount Rushmore.
No, I was looking through.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at the fountain, guys.
Yeah, but remember over here they just
They put a Lego twist to it. I love it.